Stop scrolling. Don't skip this video, because the car you're about to see was not easy, even for Bugatti. This is not hype. This is history in motion. Today, we are talking about a car that forced Bugatti to rethink everything they knew. A car that didn't just replace the Chiron, it replaced an entire mindset. This is the Bugatti Tourbillon. And make sure you watch to the end, because what this car represents is bigger than speed. Bugatti Tourbillon. At first glance, it looks like a hypercar, but the moment you understand it, you realize it's something else entirely. This is not just a new Bugatti. This is the moment Bugatti decided to reset itself for the future. No shortcuts, no compromises, just a clean break from the past. Now listen carefully, because this is where things get serious. For years, Bugatti was defined by one thing, the legendary W16 engine. An engine so powerful it became a symbol of excess. But Bugatti did something no one expected. They killed it. No W16, no quad turbos. Instead, Bugatti introduced a naturally aspirated V16 engine combined with a next-generation hybrid system. The result? Almost 1,800 horsepower. This isn't a flex. This is engineering brutality refined. Power delivered with precision, not chaos. But raw power alone doesn't make a great car, and Bugatti understands this better than anyone. That's why the Tourbillon is not built around speed alone, but around balance. A completely new lightweight chassis, advanced electric motors, a drivetrain designed to feel alive, not aggressive. This car isn't trying to scare you, it's trying to earn your trust at impossible speeds. Here's something most people miss. Bugatti didn't design the Tourbillon for today's trends. They designed it for time itself. The interior tells that story. In a world obsessed with screens, Bugatti went the opposite way. The central watch inside the Tourbillon is fully mechanical, no pixels, no software updates, a piece of craftsmanship designed to look beautiful even 100 years from now. Because Bugatti knows something most brands forget. Technology ages, art does not. Now let's talk about design, because the Bugatti Tourbillon doesn't need loud colors or wild shapes to impress. It has presence, the kind of presence that makes people stop talking when it drives past. The aggressive front, the sculpted carbon fiber body, every curve shaped by airflow, not ego. This car doesn't beg for attention, it commands it. Standing still, it looks fast. Moving, it looks unreal. But here's where the story gets even crazier. You cannot simply buy a Bugatti Tourbillon. There is no showroom experience, no negotiation. Bugatti chooses you. Ownership is limited, extremely limited, not because they can't build more, but because they refuse to dilute what this car stands for. This isn't mass production, this is permission. Now imagine being behind the wheel, 1,800 horsepower, a carbon composite chassis, perfect weight distribution, and yet calm, stable, controlled. Even at speeds beyond 400 kilometers per hour, the Tourbillon feels planted. This isn't reckless speed, this is controlled madness, engineered to feel natural. And this brings us to the big question. What is the Bugatti Tourbillon really? Is it the final chapter of the petrol-powered hypercar? A last celebration before everything goes silent? Or is it the first true bridge between the old world and the future? Bugatti doesn't answer this question. They let the car do the talking. Because the Bugatti Tourbillon is not just about numbers, it's about values, about refusing to follow trends, about building something timeless in a disposable world. This car is for people who don't accept limits just because they exist. If the Bugatti Veyron proved that limits could be broken, if the Chiron proved that excess could be mastered, then the Tourbillon proves something else entirely, that the future can still have a soul. Bugatti Tourbillon is not just a car, it's a statement, a reminder that true engineering is not about being the fastest today, but about being unforgettable forever. If the Chiron was a legend, then the Tourbillon is a declaration of war against mediocrity. If you watch this video to the end, comment one word, Tourbillon, and subscribe because the next story will be even more insane.